Police car light breaking. One of crypto's biggest exchanges just got permission to do something that could change everything for U.S. traders. And if you've been sitting on the sidelines because you thought crypto was too risky or unregulated, that excuse just disappeared. Kraken just became the first crypto exchange to launch CFTC-regulated perpetual futures contracts in the United States. That's a massive deal. Let me tell you why this matters to you, even if you've never traded futures before. So here's what just happened. Kraken, one of the top 5 crypto exchanges in the world, got approval from the CFTC. That's the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, the same agency that regulates traditional commodity markets like oil, gold, and wheat. They're now letting Kraken offer perpetual futures contracts on crypto to U.S. customers under full regulatory oversight. Now, if you're thinking, what the heck is a perpetual futures contract? Don't worry. I'm going to break this down like you're in 8th grade because that's exactly how it should be explained. A futures contract is basically a bet on whether a cryptocurrency will go up or down in price. But unlike just buying Bitcoin and holding it, futures let you amplify your position. You can make bigger gains, but you can also lose more. It's high risk, high reward. The perpetual part means there's no expiration date. Traditional futures contracts expire. You have to settle up on a specific date. Perpetual futures? They just keep going until you decide to close your position. This has been super popular in crypto for years, but mostly on offshore exchanges that U.S. regulators couldn't touch. Here's why this announcement is absolutely huge. For the first time, American traders can access these powerful trading tools through a platform that's fully regulated by a U.S. government agency. That means investor protections, transparency, and accountability. Before this, if you wanted to trade perpetual futures as a U.S. citizen, you either had to use sketchy offshore platforms or break the rules. Neither option was great. And this isn't just about Kraken. This is the CFTC basically saying, we're ready to integrate advanced crypto trading into the traditional financial system. That's a green light for institutional money. Banks, hedge funds, and family offices have been waiting for this kind of regulatory clarity before they go all in. Now let's connect this to the bigger picture. ISO 20022. If you've been following this channel, you know ISO 20022 is the new global messaging standard for financial institutions. It's how banks will communicate in the future, and certain cryptocurrencies like XRP, XLM, Algorand, and Hedera are built to work with this system. When exchanges like Kraken get CFTC approval, it's a sign that crypto is becoming part of the regulated financial infrastructure. That's exactly what ISO 20022 tokens need to thrive. They're designed for a world where crypto and traditional banking work together, not against each other. Regulatory clarity like this Kraken announcement paves the way for those tokens to be used in real-world banking applications. Think about it. If perpetual futures are now regulated, what's next? Tokenized securities? Stablecoins with full banking integration? Central bank digital currencies trading alongside decentralized tokens? This is all part of the same movement toward a hybrid financial system. So what should you be watching for next? First, pay attention to other exchanges. Coinbase, Gemini, and Binance US are definitely going to want their own CFTC approvals. Competition is coming, and that's good for you because it means better fees, better tools, and more options. Second, watch for institutional announcements. When big money sees regulated futures, they get interested fast. If hedge funds start piling into crypto futures, that could drive serious price action across the market. And third, keep an eye on ISO 20022 tokens. As the regulatory environment clears up, these projects are positioned to benefit the most. They're building for a future where compliance matters, and that future is arriving faster than most people realize. By the way, if you're thinking about getting into trading and want to explore some of the tokens we talk about here, you could check out BitUnix. There's a link in the description if you want to take a look. Now here's the important part. This is educational content only. It's not financial advice. Always do your own research before investing in anything, especially high-risk instruments like futures. Crypto is volatile, and futures trading amplifies that volatility. Don't trade with money you can't afford to lose. But here's the bottom line. Kraken's CFTC approval is a massive step toward mainstream adoption. The walls between crypto and traditional finance are coming down, and if you understand what's happening right now, you're positioning yourself ahead of the crowd. Follow Stack Daily 60 for daily crypto and money tips.